Welcome to this video explanation and demonstration of RecipeGen++. RecipeGen++ is an automated tool to generate trigger action programs. Trigger action programs, also known as TAPs, are event-driven programs that are widely used to automate smart devices and internet services. In general, a TAP is written in the form of an if condition, which when satisfied, executes an action. Here, we can see a rule that says that if a user is tagged in a photo in Facebook, the photo will then be uploaded to a Dropbox repository. The corresponding tag is also shown in this slide. Many tag platforms have emerged in recent years. Such programs have been applied in various domains ranging from business automation to personal home assistance. The growing popularity of tabs is followed by the increasing number of supported services and devices. For instance, by 2021, there were more than 1,000 available services in IFTTT, resulting in more than 400K API combinations. Thus, composing tabs becomes challenging due to the enormous search space. Thus, we propose a tool to make users compose tabs easily. Based on our prior work, we present RecipeGen++ in this work. RecipeGen++ is a deep learning-based tool that allows users to compose tabs using natural language description. The input of RecipeGen++ is a functionality description of the target tabs. Given such a description, our tool outputs a list of relevant tab candidates. RecipeGen++ has three working modes. In the interactive mode, users are guided step by step to compose tabs. Users can compose tabs in 5 steps, and in each step, they are required to choose one component. The selected component will be used as the prior knowledge to generate the prediction in the next step. The second working mode is the one-click mode. In the one-click mode, the user only needs to click one button to generate all tab components directly. The last feature is functionality discovery. This feature lets the user discover functionalities at the channel level. Let us go through the tool's examples to have a better understanding of the overall functionality by going through each feature. Firstly, let's look at the interactive mode. There are 5 steps in this mode. Firstly, we need to describe a function that we want to generate a tab for. There are some examples shown for the user to choose and try out from. So assuming we want to log into a spreadsheet if a motion is detected in the living room, we can click on this button. The trigger channels will be generated once the Generate Trigger Channel button is clicked. Now, we can look through all the trigger channels generated. All generated results in the tool are ordered by a prediction probability. As you can see, the top 10 results are the most relevant as they are mostly for monitoring systems. ManyThing is an app that aids in monitoring. If we are interested in that, we can go to the Select Trigger Channel drop-down and choose number 3 ManyThing and click on the Generate Trigger Functions button. We can read the description and choose whichever we feel is most suitable. In this case, number 1, ManyThing, motion detected. Then we can generate the action channel results. Let's click number 1, Google Drive in the drop-down and generate the action functions. All this combined, we have generated a useful tab, which is the final result generator as shown as a trigger and an action. Now let's take a look at the one-click mode. For example, we want to generate a tab that turns off the lights when everyone leaves the room. Then, can click on the Generate Tabs button. Since this is a one-click mode, the tabs results are automatically generated. In this case, we can see the results and go through the descriptions. Lastly, let's look at the functionality discovery mode. Let us try to generate a tab that notifies us when we are not at home and a motion is detected in our house. Now, we can look at the various relevant trigger channels and action channels and their functionalities to see the different functions that we could potentially make use of. To conclude, RecipeGen++ allows users to have the flexibility to decide which mode they want to use to generate the tabs. In the end, the main goal of RecipeGen++ is to let the users compose tabs using natural language without prior knowledge in the available channels and functions. With that, we come to the end of the demonstration of RecipeGen++. It is available at this link for viewing and usage. Thank you.